With previous standard voice communication, there was only one way to receive a new route. Air traffic control would contact our pilot, advise them of the new route to avoid the weather. The pilot would then read back the long, complicated clearance. If, in this lengthy process, the weather shifted, the whole process would need to start all over again. Thankfully, our flight is enabled with digital communications. Air traffic control is sending a digital message and communicating with the pilot and the airline operations center simultaneously in real time. Our pilot accepts the new flight path and loads it into the onboard computer. By improving how we time our place in line, we reduce traffic congestion on the airport's surface and improve traffic flows. So we have a digital clearance to our flight plan and have gotten in line for takeoff before we have even left the gate.